fabric looks a bit rough. A hole here. Sat Shri Akal ji and welcome back to Gulz Beauty. So there is a great news, guys. I'm starting a new series which is Newlyweds. In this series, I will be sharing tips related to how to get ready, makeup and some quick fixes for the hair, because I know you have to do so many meet and greets, and also very frequently you will be invited to so many dinners, lunches, and you will be staying out of the house most of the times. So today's video is all about how to do your makeup when you are staying at home and people are coming and visiting you and seeing you for the first time. So it's very important that you don't overdo things and also you look presentable and very pretty bright. This is the look how I transformed from this to this look. So without much ado, let's jump right into today's video.
So this is me without any makeup, and we are going to change from this to the final look. So let's begin. Always remember to drink lots of water. Be hydrated because it is good for your skin and hair. Before applying any makeup and touching your face, make sure your hands are clean. And before starting the makeup, don't forget to moisturize your skin. I use Drop of Youth moisturizer from Body Shop. And also, if you're doing makeup during the day, don't forget to use SPF. To start with, I'm using MAC primer to prep my skin for the makeup. I'm taking pump and a half. And here are some benefits of using primer before the makeup. It creates a smooth base for your makeup. It evens out skin tone and disguises flaws. Reduces oil and shine. It helps fill in wrinkles and fine lines. It makes pores appear smaller. Let's move on to the foundation. For that, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 and the number is NC30. I like to put it on my face and neck in the form of dots. And then I'm using this buffing brush to spread it evenly on my face and neck for the natural finish. This brush gives you a medium coverage if used for applying liquid foundation, because they do soak in a little bit of extra foundation since they are denser. That means it will give you a natural look compared to the cakey look, which I totally hate. And then I use warmth of my hands to give natural shine and finish to my foundation.
I hope you're finding this video useful. If you are, please hit the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
To brighten my under eye area, I'm using Fit Me Concealer from Maybelline. I'm using it cautiously under my eyes and also the chin area, which is a bit darker compared to my cheeks. For the eyes, I'm using my fingers to blend in the concealer. Take your time and do it properly so that it blends well with your foundation. To blend in the concealer on my chin, I'm using the same buffing brush which I used to apply foundation. Then I'm using loose powder to set the under eye area and also the chin area. Loose powder seals the moisture of foundation and makes it last longer. For people with oily skin, wearing loose powder is a must because it helps to control oil and keep your face free from shine. To prepare your eyes before the eyeshadow, you can use either a loose powder or a concealer. So in my case, I'm using the loose powder. That makes eyeshadow application really easy. Take medium fluffy brush, use a warm shadow on your crease to add depth to your eyes. This should be very close to your skin tone, and then we will move on to the darker shades.
For more pictures, videos and updates, please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Gulz Beauty X.
And then moving on to a bit darker shade and again add it to your crease and outer corner of your eye. Keep on blending the eyeshadows for the more finished look. Now the third and the last shade is going to be the darkest brown. Apply it on your crease and outer corner. Then I'm using this angular blending brush and I'm going to blend all the eyeshadows so that there are no harsh creases. The more you blend, the better your eye makeup look will be. And then pick some light color for your lids. I picked this little shimmery color for my eyelids. Using my fingers to apply it because no blending is required in this one. Then using the fluffy brush to remove any harsh creases of the base color. Use angular brush to apply brown shadow on your lower lash line because it gives a very soft look when you add eyeshadow to your lower lash line instead of thick kajal. Then I'm going to use kajal pencil to darken my waterline. For my brows, I'm using L'Oreal's Brow Kit. Then use a brush to even out excess product. For eyeliner, I'm using my favorite sketch pencil from NYX NYX. Since I'm going for a simple natural look, so I am not going very big on the eyeliner, so I'm going for the medium thickness eyeliner. My tip for the beginners is always use very small strokes and stay very close to your lash line. If you're not very comfortable applying liquid eyeliner with a brush, you can use a sketch eyeliner like me. Similarly, do it on the other side, and this is how our eyeliner looks. And here comes my favorite part of the makeup, which is a bronzer and a blusher. So I'm using this darker shade to contour my cheeks and also the jawline. If you have round face like me, you can make a fish face to find your cheekbone and then use bronzer underneath your cheekbone. This adds warmth and definition to your face.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it.
Now let's move on to the blusher. While applying blusher, always use circular motion with a light hand because we don't want to deposit too much product at one place. Another tip will be, whenever you are taking any product on the brush, be it eyeshadow, blusher or bronzer, always remove the excess product by tapping the brush and then use it on your face. Now let's move on to the lips. I'm using this nude shade lip liner to line my lips and also use the liner to fill in my lips. If you use a liner before lipstick, it makes your lipstick stay longer. For my lipstick, I picked Maybelline's Super Stay Matte Ink and the shade number is 125. Since our main idea behind this look is to bring out the natural beauty of the newlywed. For that, I feel pick the colors either from the pink palette or peach palette. And now comes the most important step of this makeup tutorial. This is to add highlighter, and this will give you that beautiful glow and natural finish to your makeup. Highlighter looks very pretty, not just in the pictures, but if it is blended right, it will give you natural glow. So, where to add the highlighter? Add it on the high points of your face, your cheekbone, and then your brow bone, your chin, and don't forget your inner corners. No look is complete without falsies, so I'm using my magnetic lashes. If you want to see a full tutorial on it, I'm putting the link somewhere on the screen and also in the description box. These lashes are very lightweight and the final look is natural and beautiful. And this is the final look, guys. Very beautiful, natural, glowing, newlywed look. So what do you guys think of this final look? Do let me know in the comment section below.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take it easy. Bye.